Today I'm going to talk about how to use flash fill in Excel. So we're going to extract the site code from a hostname. We're going to combine the hostname and the IP address, and we're going to extract the device type, and we're going to convert hostnames to lowercase. So here I'm in Excel and I have a list of hostnames, and let's say that I want to extract the site code from these hostnames. So the site code is this part. So what I can do is just create a new column, and I can say MNL, and I will move the cursor to the next row, and then I can Control E. So we see that we were able to extract the site codes from the host names. Okay, and an example number 2 is combine the host name and the IP address. So what I can do here is I have a column, new column called device. So what I can do is just copy the host name and the IP address, and then I will move the cursor to the active cell to the next row, and I can do Control E. So we were able to combine the host names and management IP addresses. Okay, and example number 3 that I want to show you is how we can extract the device type. So here I have the host name column, and I got a device type column here, which is blank. So what I can do is just give Excel a example, so RTR, and then move the active cell to the next row and go to data. So you can use either Control E or go to data and flash fill. And here we see that we were able to extract the device type from the host names. Okay, and the last example is how we can convert the host names to lowercase. So here we see the host names are in capital letters, and I want to convert each of them to be lowercase. So what I can do is give Excel an example. So I can say MNL-RTR-01, and then move the cursor or the active cell to the next row, and either go to data and flash fill, or you can just Control E. Okay, so that's how you can use flash fill. So you can extract the code or the site code, you can combine the host name and IP address, and you can extract the device type, and you can convert host names to lowercase. And there are other use cases that you can do with flash fill, but these are just examples that I want to show you today. All right, so hopefully you found this video useful. If you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.